Hi guys, are you interested in how to set mobile data limits on your DOOGEE S100? If yes, today I will show you how to do it. Welcome to Hardware and Info channel. Our first step is navigate to the settings, where we press second option, SIM card and mobile data, where we choose first mobile network and after that data warming and limit. Now we can set our data mobile limits. First option, mobile data usage size. We can set the data of each month, probably first day of each month. And there we can turn on and turn off function set data warming and set how many gigabytes or megabytes we used, and we get warming, probably 2 gigabytes. And there we can turn on function set data limit. And to do this we switch on and confirm by OK. And now we can set our data limit in gigabyte or megabyte, what you want. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.